We are also recognizing several outstanding defense startups. We believe that this will be a very strong motivation for them in the time to come, followed by panel discussion.
We will ensure that this vertical remains strong, and tomorrow through IDEX and ADETI and other programs, we are able to support more and more startups also.
I feel this is just the beginning of what Collins is doing in India today. There is huge potential beyond just the workforce, the 5,000 plus Collins employees who are across Hyderabad and Bangalore. There is a whole ecosystem where we see potential for huge collaborative innovation, huge research, and obviously reaching from here to the world.
Firstly, I would like to tell you about the initiatives taken by government in procurement reforms. Secondly, in the innovative ecosystem reforms. Thirdly, quality reforms. Lastly, I would conclude by expressing what Government of India expects from the innovative ecosystem in the country.
Two constituents of that ecosystem, or the so-called the industrial base, are technology and the manufacturing competence. What we need to take a look is at the technology ecosystem.
So my first question will probably go to you, sir. I think, like he said, there are almost 850 plus startups in the defense and aerospace innovation ecosystem today. How can the Indian government and established defense firms, they can help startups to integrate better into the defense innovation ecosystem? What do you think that the startups need to do from their side? And what do you think that the ecosystem, senior players in the ecosystem like the DPSUs or the corporates need to do to help them integrate better?
The startups here, if they have to beat the world market and not just the Indian people, the product really has to be a technologically advanced or first of its kind product. Then you need to spend a lot, both funding wise and otherwise, a lot into the deep technology. This is one of the issues what it is.
Gives an opportunity for the young innovators to get in touch with the end users. I can tell you my experience in the Air Force is because we always have to go through the ministry, through the DRDO. Ultimately, the user never really comes face to face with the actual innovator.
And let's say you're a startup and you're looking at a VC, early stage, early growth is great, but if they don't have a B2B strategy, you may not get supported long term unless they have a very strong LP network. That's the way I kind of think about it.
Our university decided to fund that program and we ended up building this whole satellite. And during the process of building the satellite, I realized that, we are a country with 1 billion people, but, we've sent missions to moon.
To stay informed about the startup ecosystem, subscribe to My Startup TV.